In this video, we cover the following topics. Stretching watercolor paper is a preparatory technique used to prevent the paper from buckling, cockling, and warping when wet media is applied. Watercolor paper expands when it absorbs water from the paint, and if not evenly stretched, it can deform, affecting the quality and appearance of the artwork. Stretching the paper before painting ensures a smooth, flat surface, allowing artists to apply washes and various techniques without worrying about the paper's stability. Cockle refers to a more severe form of buckling where the paper develops ridges and troughs, giving it a wavy texture. This can significantly disrupt the painting process and the final appearance. Buckling occurs when the paper lifts or curves in areas, usually because of uneven wetness. It can cause paint to pool in the low spots, leading to an uneven application. Warping is the permanent deformation of paper after drying. It happens when the paper doesn't return to its flat state, often making framing and presentation difficult. It may be necessary to perform a flattening technique after the painting is complete to address the problems associated with wet media and watercolor paper. There are 4 basic types of flattening methods for watercolor paper that is wavy: wet stretching, wet pressing, ironing, and the sandwich flattening method. Each method of flattening paper has a dedicated video demonstrating how to achieve flatter paper. Unlock the secrets of watercolor with comprehensive watercolor and interactive guide for learning to paint with watercolor. This one-of-a-kind guide combines detailed explanations, step-by-step instructions, and over 200 embedded videos to help you master techniques and build confidence in your watercolor journey. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this guide has everything you need to grow as an artist. If you're ready to take your watercolor skills to the next level, you can find links to purchase comprehensive watercolor in the description below. Take the guesswork out of choosing watercolor supplies. The Ultimate Watercolor Product Guide is your free resource for making confident choices. The guide includes paint sets, paintbrushes, palettes, and cool tools. This free guide accompanies the book Comprehensive Watercolor, an interactive guide for learning to paint with watercolor. Download your free copy of the Ultimate Watercolor Product Guide today by clicking the link located in the video description below or visiting mandikins.com. Thank you for watching. Tap the archer to subscribe and the bell to be notified when I post new content. To continue your watercolor journey, click a video from one of the playlists above.